Why most tech projects fail? Tech failure is rarely about technology. Most people think projects fail because of bad code or tools. But that's not the real reason. The real problem: projects fail due to poor planning, unclear requirements, lack of communication, changing priorities, not because of coding issues. The big mistake: teams focus on features, deadlines, tools, but ignore user needs, business goals, system impact. Where things break: requirements are not clear, expectations keep changing, teams work in silos. This creates confusion and delays. The hidden issue: developers build what they think is needed, not what is actually required. What successful teams do they focus on? Clear communication, defined requirements, continuous feedback, alignment with business goals. The shift from building features to solving real problems. The reality: a perfect system that solves the wrong problem is still a failure. The final take: tech projects don't fail because of technology. They fail because of lack of clarity and alignment. Rocket